Prince. I think Drifter's just kind of cross now. It's raining, so we're all going to have a run around. That's Clover. Sorry about the view. I've come to shelter under the shelter, which means I'm pretty much filmed directly into the sun. I don't know what set everyone off, apart from the fact that it is raining. But just so that in case you can't see who's who, that's Clover. Boots, Bron and Arthur are coming rushing down. Bron's generally not happy. So it's Clover doing dragon impressions. So that's Drifter coming across. But it looks like we're going to have to pop Bron back in with Clover, because certainly over the fence he wasn't terribly impressed with him just then, just to make sure everything's all alright. Please like, subscribe and comment if you enjoy our journey at Meaux Track Livery.